LeBron James didn't just wake up one day holding a basketball like it was summoned by destiny. Nah, somebody had to make that ball. LeBron James? Today, we're going full court press into the real MVP of the game, how basketballs are actually made. It all starts with three main materials: rubber, nylon, and either synthetic composite or genuine leather. Rubber forms the inner bladder, the air-filled core that gives the ball its bounce. Fun fact, this is why when your teammate's shot misses the mark, it still bounces back like they're Kobe in his prime. Nylon windings wrap around the bladder to help it retain shape and pressure. It's the ball's version of that tight defense, always holding it together. The outer cover is made from synthetic leather, composite rubber, or genuine cowhide leather, depending on the ball's quality and price point. First, we create the rubber bladder. Synthetic rubber is heated and injection molded into a round shape called a bladder. It's the air-retaining core of the basketball. After molding, it's placed in a curing oven at around 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes. This vulcanization process hardens the rubber and gives it elasticity. Kind of like the way your ankles feel after 40 minutes of running full speed, except the ball actually recovers. Next, a valve stem is inserted. This is the tiny black nozzle you use to pump air into the ball. It's sealed tightly into the bladder using glue and heat. To ensure the ball keeps its shape, the bladder is wrapped in nylon threads. A high-speed automated winding machine spins the bladder while feeding nylon string around it at high tension. This gives the ball long-lasting shape, bounce, consistency. Durability during play, so the next time you airball, at least you know the ball's not the problem. Each bladder receives up to 2 kilometers, 1.25 miles, of nylon thread, a process that takes about 30 seconds per ball. That's like wrapping your jumper, but way faster. Outer panel creation. Now let's move to the outer shell, the part you actually touch. For professional balls, factories use genuine leather that's been tanned, dyed, and softened. For indoor-outdoor balls, they use composite leather, made of polyurethane with a textured surface. Think of it like choosing between LeBron's game shoes versus the ones you bought on sale. Both work, but the premium leather gets you that extra bounce. The leather is cut into 8 panels, the traditional basketball design. These panels are molded under heat and pressure to create the iconic, pebbled texture. This texture isn't just for looks, it helps with grip and ball control. So when you're trying to break ankles, this grip makes sure you're not slipping on every crossover. Each panel is then silk screen printed or heat stamped with logos, brand names, and model numbers, coated with a protective finish to resist wear. Now comes one of the most delicate stages, assembling the ball. The 8 outer panels are glued onto the wound bladder using an industrial latex adhesive. This process can be machine automated in large factories or hand assembled in artisan workshops for high-end models. After the panels are placed, the ball is inserted into a steel mold, shaped like a basketball, and heated to about 130 degrees Celsius, 266 degrees Fahrenheit. This bonding process takes 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the outer cover to permanently fuse to the interior. The seams are then hand-stitched or pressed to ensure they lie flat. With the ball assembled, it goes through a series of rigorous quality checks. Pressure testing? Is it holding air properly? Shape testing. Is it perfectly round? Bounce testing. Does it rebound to regulation height, around 1.3 to 1.4 meters from a 1.8 meter drop? So yeah, they test the ball way more than your free throw accuracy during practice. High-end manufacturers test each ball individually. Others test batch samples. If the ball fails any test, it's either recycled or sold as a factory second. Side note, your missed shots are probably factory seconds too. Once approved, the basketballs go to the finishing area. Here they are, cleaned with soft cloths, given one last inspection, deflated slightly for easy packing. Balls are then packed, individually in boxes or in sets of 6 or 12 for bulk shipment. Packaging includes product tags, warranty info, and sometimes an inflation needle. The boxes are sealed, labeled, and stacked onto pallets for global distribution. The basketballs leave the factory by truck or shipping container. They are sent to sporting goods retailers or professional leagues and schools. From there, they are placed on store shelves, shipped directly to customers. Each basketball might travel thousands of miles before it's finally purchased. That's more travel than your league buddy, who's always too busy to show up. So next time you brick a free throw, just remember, at least the ball was made perfectly, no excuses. Now go subscribe, or LeBron might chase down block your Wi-Fi.